Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C-300 4MATIC. This one's white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch split 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. On the top we've got a black roof. We've got our C-300 4MATIC badging. Set of all-season floor mats. Coming up front, a nice wood interior trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This C-300 has 83,388 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.